I found the tracing book.
Okay. So, so this is egg bite makeup. Yes, I'm about to check it up and see what's going on here. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Did you see this? This is the egg bite makeup, yo. Wow, my egg is all ready. So I'm gonna be taking this. Okay, this is egg bite makeup. Oh my gosh! Yeah, I bought this egg bite makeup from Walmart
Walmart?
for $12. Yeah, $12. It's really really nice. Let me unplug this. It's ready. The egg is ready. Yeah, and the egg look really really soft. So so my baby girl love the egg to be ready plain. The only thing I put here was salt. But you have option. You want to put cheese. You want to put onions, pepper, whatever you want to put is okay. But yeah, this is how I make my egg bite makeup. I mean, this is how I use my egg bite makeup. But with this egg bite makeup, um, yeah, you can bake make pancake, bake cupcake, and everything in here. So guys, thank you so much. Love you. Mm. Yeah, guys, I needed a make sure video. I needed a make sure video. I needed a make sure. Come for the phone, baby girl. Yeah, I needed a make sure video.
Wait.
Here, I'm about to take this. I'm about to take this egg from in the egg bite maker. Yeah. Mm. My plate is clean, but everything I take from my kitchen, I love to rinse it before I use it. Okay. Egg bites maker. Egg bites maker. So the other day I went to Walmart, I bought some blender. I'm about to be trying my blender. Guys, this is really really slippery here. How can I hold this? Okay. And it's still hot. So you have to wait. Guys, this is super 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 soft. Guys, did you see this? Oh my god. Oh my god. American people, eh?
Oh my god.
Those people love to keep us busy here. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is that a cupcake?
She said cupcake. It's an egg cake.
It's an egg cake. It's not an egg cake.
Baby, I just told my baby girl. Wait, hold on, don't hold my neck.
It's not an egg cake.
You gotta leave my neck. I just told my baby girl this is an egg cake.
This is not an egg cake. That's a cupcake.
Really?
Yeah.
She asked me, is that an egg? I mean, is that a cupcake? It's not a cupcake, yeah.
It's not an egg cake.
Oh my god, guys, this is super, super, super. Look at this. Really, really soft. The other day, my baby said, oh, mom, it's so squeezy. I'm like, oh, for real? Yeah. Guys, I hope you guys gonna see this, man. Mm? Very, very soft and squeezy. Mm?
Soft and squeezy?
Yeah. So, guys, I'm about to show it to you guys better. Okay, don't worry.
Is there a ball?
Mm-hmm.
Is there a ball?
So, guys, it takes about 6 to 7 minutes for this to be ready. 6 to 7 minutes for it to be ready. Okay. So, I love to put oil. Sorry, I love to put water on this. This is the egg bites maker right here. Let me see if I can do something on short. I don't even know what I'm doing here. I'm touching something, but I don't know. Okay, I'm trying to get